everybody, and today we are going to be doing isolating quantities. Now, isolating quantities, in other words, is expressing one thing in terms of another thing, and we're just trying to isolate the one over here. So let's get started. The formula above gives the velocity v in meters per second, at which sound travels through the air. That is a temperature of T degrees Celsius. Which of the following correctly gives the air temperature in terms of velocity and sound? So let's begin by dividing dividing this by 331.3. But what you do to one side, you must do to the other. And in doing so, you get Now, I think we're only going to do a few problems today, like maybe two, because I'm running short on time today. So, oh dear, hold on. Okay, we'll just have to draw the radical afterward. Oops, wrong button. Alright, and so that's the first part of the problem out of the way. The next thing that we are going to want to do is square this. To get rid of the radical. So we are going to square u, and we are going to square u as well. And in doing so, we get Alright, the next thing we're going to do is subtract 1 from each side. So get rid of u and subtract over here. We get, let me just erase this last one up here because we are running low on space. I'd actually undo that, but we'll just write it over here. Okay, it's a 15 over there. Don't worry, we'll scooch that over. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply 273 by both sides. And we're going to get hold on, maybe we should write it over here for the sake of space. No. And that is going to equal to t. And we have found our answer, which is A. T equals 273.15 times v squared divided by 331.3 squared minus 1. And I know you're probably wondering what the caret looking symbol is, but that just means it's an exponent. So I don't think I've mentioned that in any of my videos yet. So you may or may not know what that is, but now you know. All right, here's our next one. All right, here we go. The root mean square speed is the measure of speed particles in a gas. Root mean square speed, v, can be calculated using the equation shown above, where m is the molar mass of a gas, and r is the molar gas constant, and T is the temperature. Which of the following equations correctly expresses the molar mass of a gas in terms of root mean square speed, temperature, and molar gas constant? Which means we're going to be isolating the molar mass in a gas, which is m. So I guess let's begin writing everything. So let us square the radical, and in doing so, we just get divided by m. The next thing we should do is multiply both sides by m, so that way we get I don't know, I think it would look like this. Now we're going to divide both sides of the equation by v. And apparently, I don't know if I did something right, so I'll go check that out as soon as I finish over here. So let's see. Okay, so yeah, they squared it. Alright, we did that. Oh, right, we forgot to square the v. Okay, so then everything's in order then. We just forgot that v is squared as well. So that's my fault for being a forgetful pants. So let's just slap that over here. And yeah, thanks for stopping by today. I know this one was short, but like I said, I'm on time constraints. So thank you and goodbye.